So friends, let's see today's delicious crispy corn and jalapeno patties. It's super delicious. So here I have two corn cobs, which I'm just going to get the corn off the cob, or you can use 1.5 cup of corn. So this comes off very easily. You just follow this technique and it comes off very easily. Now I've added about 4 cups of water to my pan and I'm going to bring this corn to a boil on a low to medium flame. Once it starts to boil, I'm going to add about a teaspoon of salt or salt to taste, and we're going to boil this corn for a good 5 minutes till the corn is nice and cooked, and then we're just going to drain the corn. Now once it's drained and come to room temperature, we're going to add it to a mixing bowl. To this I've added about 1/4 cup of chopped up jalapenos, and you can see that the corn is nice and cooked and not overcooked. Now I'm going to add a little bit of salt to taste. Next we're going to add about half a teaspoon of red chili flakes and half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Next I'm going to sprinkle about a teaspoon of mixed herbs and give all of this a good mix. And now I'm just going to add about 1/4 cup of grated cheese. Now I'm just using regular processed cheese, just about a 1/4 cup, or if you want more cheese in it, then you can add a little more. Again, mix the cheese in well, and this is going to be our filling. Now I've boiled, peeled, and mashed up 4 medium-sized potatoes. And once they come to room temperature, I'm just going to make them into lemon-sized balls, and then you're going to flatten the ball like you would with a potato chop, and you're just going to make it like a small little basket, and then just put about a teaspoon or so. Don't overfill it or underfill it, and then just seal it like this, like you would with any normal patties or potato chop. See that it's completely sealed, and then just give it a nice shape like that and set it aside. So you can either make all of them and keep fry them, or you can make how many ever you want and put them in a storage or airtight container and then fry them whenever you want. So in this way I'm just going to make all the corn patties. Now for boiling the potatoes, what I do is I wash the potatoes really well, put them in my pressure pan for about 1 whistle on high, and then simmer them for about 15 minutes. And then when the pressure pan completely cools, that's when I take it out. And when the potatoes are at room temperature, I peel them and mash them up using my pav bhaji masher. Or sometimes you can even grate it first with a grater and then mash it up. So once you've made all the patties, now we're going to do the coating. Now you can just use regular breadcrumbs, but I also like to add a little bit of roasted vermicelli or shave just for that extra crunch. That's completely optional. Otherwise, you can just put breadcrumbs. Now for making the breadcrumbs also, I just took some bread slices, put them in my mixer jar and ground them to a powder if you don't have breadcrumbs at hand. And in this way, just coat them up with either the breadcrumbs and the vermicelli, or if you have only breadcrumbs, then only breadcrumbs will also do. And then all we have to do is just shallow fry them till they're nice and golden brown on both sides. So this is a really nice snack, especially now that the rains have started here in Mumbai. It's a nice snack, and corn is also available. So yesterday itself I put up another recipe of crispy corn, which you should try. It's delicious. And another corn recipe here. So serve it up with some ketchup or some Szechuan sauce and you're all set. So I hope you do try this recipe, and let me know how you like it. Leave your comments in the comment section below. I love hearing from all of you and I reply to everyone. So thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting Akshata's recipes by watching my videos. Do share my recipes and videos. Do give this video a like if you like this recipe. And I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. Take care, guys. Bye.